What's up, my beautifuls? You know who it is. It's your girl, Goldie. And I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. I just got this in the mail today from Enfamil. I forgot that I even signed up for this free box. I want to say I signed up for it when I was about 4 months pregnant. So that was like 3 months ago. And I guess they wait until you're closer to your due date to send out your box. But this is what the box looks like. It says our best for your best. Inspire by Enfamil. And let's cut her open. Let's cut her open and see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so I changed the view so that y'all could see me cutting it open. Has some plastic upon it. Oh, this just has my mailing address and things. Now, how do you get into this thing? Oh, it's like a drawer. Okay. So you pull it out like that. They send you a thick little booklet. Your essential feeding guide. Oh, yeah. This is pretty thick. This is a good fanning book. Got some gift cards. Wow. Oh, and look, it says these gift cards have all been paid in full. Look at that. 12 gift cards. Wow. Y'all know I'm about to be up on here trying to figure out what I can get. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that. Okay, and they give you a welcome brochure. Welcome to Enspire by Enfamil. And I guess they're letting you know what they sent you in there. So we have a can of formula. And this is the one that is closest to breast milk. This is the Enspire formula. Wow. I read really good reviews on this formula too. Really good review. And this is a 8-ounce can. So I've been out the game too long. I don't even know how long that's gonna last. And then we have Enfamil Inspire Gentle Ease for easing gas, fussiness, and crying. Has lactoferrin, a key protein, also in colostrum and breast milk. So this is another, let me make sure, 8-ounce can. Read great things about this formula as well. Yeah, you guys, I forgot that I even signed. So if you are pregnant or planning to be pregnant anytime soon, go and sign up for your Enfamil box, y'all. Get you some free formula. Even if you're gonna breastfeed, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. Get you some free formula. But I'm pleasantly surprised. On the tracking slip, they sent me some checks. A $10 check and a $3 check for the Enfamil. That's pretty dope. definitely gonna keep that. That's pretty freaking dope. So that's all I have for now, my beautifuls. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to join the Goldie gang. We love everyone. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, my beautifuls. Bye.